That night on, I guess, Fully Loaded, I think it was, when
Yeah.
Elephant Man and Kutchie got into it. Was there any vibes leading up to that, or what had happened made that whole situation make Kutchie box Elephant Man on that shoulder?
Shadow Star. Remember,
Mhm.
a lot of time when people used to ask me about this, we never want to talk about it, but now we can't talk about it.
Mhm.
Because all we can say, my heart did break. My heart did broke. God no.
Mhm.
But it feel away.
Mhm.
Yeah, we feel hurt. I swear to God, cause enough time the group have things, man. Real sad. We have enough yeah, a whole lot of time we have argument, man.
For
But
sure.
so for reading on the stage, man, God no star. Remember we have an argument at Trinidad and I made the group go left me now. And we come down after that.
Mhm.
Because you understand certain things you can't make the public know or the mass know.
For
You
sure.
understand? Remember, we have to face them when it's showtime. We have to face them in a press conference. We have to face them in an interview. We have to face the public. So if we have to face the public and then me and Coach in a good energy, me and Dandimite in a good energy, me and Elena in a good energy. Remember, people can see it.
Mhm.
People can see it. If we're not fun with each other and we're not certain people ever know, so we're not agree. So if me don't want to do something with them, I mean, they say, you know what, me I make 24 hours run up until my heart and everything soon.
All
And
right.
then count to 10, and then we are friends again.
Mhm.
But come like something happened in Miami, we can't talk about this down the car. God no star.
Mhm.
Coach your elephant, man them for be brethren star, the man them for be brother.
Mhm.
That's what happened. And true, Coach, I apologize right now. Maybe even say some things about this now, guys.
Yeah.
One time, that alone people can ask me.
Mhm.
Because my heart did break, bro. I had to let show up with the earth cause it could happen to even me too.
Mhm.
You understand? Because I remember, so we look up to Cochina for even secure the crew, defend the crew, protect the crew at all times.
Mhm.
You understand? Because I remember a situation in England and a country defend us and a country protect us. You understand? So we I look up to him for that forever, for the team.
Yeah.
You remember one time when the country chuck off my face. They got Kiki. A super cat saved me. And I youth named Nanan.
Mhm.
A Nanan, yeah, a youth named Nanan and super cat. A super cat, I say, yeah, well, I know one man, and I done that man. Make coach the Pokemon for me again. So, me know, me know all the ignorance, a coach, I know the ignorance of Dandimite, the ignorance of Ellie, and the ignorance of Killer, the ignorance of my surroundings. So, sometimes it don't make no sense to show the public it, King,
For sure.
because yeah, I'm the best king, man. Can remember from the top, me, the group, now go back together and the king.
Mhm.
I tell you the truth, I remember say England, I take feet, them time there in the car. My heart broke, bro. There's no way. Remember, BT is in Jamaica. BT was here to shoot, scare them.
Yeah.
I had the number one song. My number one song was Dance the Angel. I was
Mm.
backstage. I was teaching. I was teaching. What's your name? Ashanti. I was teaching. I think a White Cliff. I was teaching. I was in a class. Me not tent. I teach them Dance the Angel. Common song is number one. Beat is here to shoot the group.
Mhm.
You understand? The group just came from Miami Saturday
Mhm.
because the three of them go to a show in Miami.
Mhm.
Remember, when them came, when we say Elephant Saturday night, Elephant and Toddler, me carry some things for you, You know, Elephant and him shot me a pair of shoes and, two little things, cause remember, them come from Miami. I saw the thing go.
Mhm.
Remember, Ellie would have sing to him and him dog plate, him sing the same because I shot back with the money or whatever. But as a youth, always as a toddler, me carry this, I know as a toddler. Me can't go America.
Mhm.
You understand? So when time, I know Mr. Bounty Killer, Mr. Nitty Kutchie over 110. Me over 110, yeah, so I have a big man named Plummy.
Mhm.
Me and Plummy there, so I'm few of my friend them from Waltham and under 110, but I know some of that teach a chant them and fear the foreign people them. They move to the left and they move to the right and they think what me I do. And that fun vibe drops over with him camera. Me in a one different zone, I do one different thing. Me don't know what going to Miami with them last night
Mhm.
or the night before. Cause them think them perform Friday night and come down, yeah. And me I said, John was star. I said, Lexus. I said, Lexus and Elia and Lexus walk come. With a tribe, because I remember Vietnam tribe and elephant and Vietnam tribe and Lexus have him 62 tribe out of Mountain View. So them walk come and them, I said, told them walk come. And when them walk come, say Toddler, me go start it, you know. When him say me go start it, me I said, wait, you gonna start? I said, anything you do, you know, bro. I said, anything you do, man. You know, because you know how Scare Dem work. From one Scare Dem on the stage, you just see a next one, and then you see a next one, and then you see a next one, and then the gang, and it's a bam.
Got you.
But me never know what I want, because Elephant just come to me and say, I start the thing. And go straight to Sharonberg. We don't know them other breeze talk on the stage. But we look at him and Lexus up there. Them me and Dandimite up there. Remember, say me I wait for go up there now. Me I wait to be on the stage. I think Kutchie just passed me. And when Kutchie passed me, I just hear the whole crowd go, ah. And when you hear the crowd go like that, somebody say, Box Ellie. And when him back, and when him back, I could go sing again, King. I could go sing again. Me I try to remember if to sing, but me I tell the truth. I don't remember, no, after that, I don't remember nothing more. 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 Would have to see something else, and someone said that this is that, but me, don't remember nothing more. I swear to you, bro. So, from that, the group now sing back together again. I tell the truth, bro. So the whole world, BT was flaming, and the whole world saw it. So they fall in love with Elephant Man. So the world said, wow, when the group member come back saying, what's going on? So them like the one, because remember say Elephant, I do a lot of work them time then, Harry Toddler, we do a lot of work, Scare Dem, we do a lot of work. So for a member to come back as the next member, you know, one don't get wrong, you know, one don't have to get wrong, you know. So the world wrong Kutchie and the world love Ellie. So when time you see that now, I'm going to say nothing now go, nothing now go work. Elephant get opportunity and they move ahead. You understand? So that's it, you know. That's it. So when you get an opportunity and make use of it, that's it. So we don't have nothing to say. And now Nitty Kutchie apologize. You understand? So that even give me more room. That's because I will share this video. So I feel good to see that. So it's only for Ellie to accept, and that's his name now, cause nothing can go around loving and love me so enough. And the leaf and the branches, them the way them strong. I don't know who can tear them Harry Toddler, cause of the mass, of the world, of the universe, and them say me. So no one individual or no two or a handful of person can't move that column, man. Because God said this to me. And I can't tell you from the day, me say, Lord God, come like the best in slang the man ever give me. Up to this day, I still say it.
Yes.
You understand? So, I love Scare Dem Crew. I not tell no lie. I lift my heart to the group because I know the distance where I come from, King. We used to do things in love. Love the love limitless. No matter how me I tell you so. Them say things last forever, but we know say love lasts forever. No man tell me nothing.
Crazy.
Yeah, you have a woman, she not talk to her, right? We still love her. So me still, I know what is them say love, yo.
Did you try reaching out to Elephant Man the next day, since you guys seem to be like you guys were the closest members in the group?
Oh, you mean the next day my Elephant talk? The next day my Elephant talk, you know. Remember so my Elephant attack in a King Man. My Elliot attack and come like, yeah, me I tell the truth, star. It's a shock thing going cause when me Elliot talk about the next day, ill time we there a reason, you know, but utterly we are reason. And we are reason star, me I tell the truth. One time I think we all cried one, I think one time we all cried cause we don't know what happened. We don't know what happened because remember, you know, Sharonberg keep fully loaded for Scare Dem. The first time fully loaded keep, I don't got Negril. 20 people alone go. Ask her. If any day, if them wish for tell the truth, we know some people stay still king, but I tell you, say, my life what like a book, you know. The first time Shamанberg keep fully loaded, it was for the group Scare Dem in Negril, and archive them were just bust rare. I tell you. Remember, say, me, Shamанberg say, I said, Toddler, if you give me a group, I give you a visa. Remember, now I know when I get the visa, you know, I may get a group, you know. But I can't tell this, yo. But I can't tell this, bro. Certain things, like it just happen for wise you up
For sure.
and get you stronger along your journey. Because the way me strong in the music now and the way me, yo, remember, not the certain things can't move it. Me not care if you get the Grammy. Me not care what you get. And when me set, me deal with it. When I can't go and get. Me have things that me set. Remember, me are the first youth. And me are the first youth out of the whole group and out of the whole of them. Come we go road. Ask Killer, ask the whole of them. Because our road, me see the thing happen. Me I tell you, bro. But guess what? Still me the man, but just live one way. And the best way to my coffee lock. Me just happy. And that me no want God take from me, my happiness, you understand?
For sure.
Because that alone, me happy and comfort, and that soul. That's why I tell them, say, me above money. I tell them certain things, me above it, star, me above vanity. Remember, some people, them not rate it for who you is, you know, they rate it for what you have or what you achieve. You understand? But all them love their pretend king. Because you pretend love, I got through enough of that, bro. I've been through it, me. I mean, in some circle more time, some people attack, me don't want to laugh, and me have to laugh. Me don't want to do that no more. The hypocrite thing there, I don't want to do that. So I stay in that circle with a grip. So I know certain things, it happen my soul. I happy and comfort and treasure donkey. Yo, I can't dead and gone any day. Me live my life a happy way, I'm live my life a struggleful way. So I want the best right now, because I can't pass and gone anytime, king. Remember, you know, some man things say they're not going to be here forever. And I fight for some things. I not fight for nothing, bro. I just want my legacy. I want my love to grow more. That I want.
You understand. What was your thing there? So then now group broke up and everything. Now you're back to being a solo artist. What was your first move you did for Harry Toddler to say, okay, I got to solidify myself back in the streets again as a solo artist?
I know, say, it never really hurt me to that. It never really did nothing that's purpose solo act. Because we started out by myself from day one. I mean, just choose for our unit members. I mean, say, magic, me, I carry my friend them. Make my friend them, but that's a magic. I come to the show and I wait and be able to win. Me could have do it, but God destined that for me, say, me and my friend them do it. So when we go Bermuda, we even come back and scare them. You understand? So I something with destined. So some of the man them not remember and them not realize what Harry Toddler do. But through me not look nothing, I just want my happiness and my legacy to stay and my love to grow stronger. That's the best thing for me. Because some of them act like they don't remember. I mean, know so when them see or when them hear certain things they remember. But you're pretenders. So you don't have to pretend to me. Friendship don't come from one way. Friendship come from both ends, bro. So if you think this is a one-sided thing, you can stay on your side. That it name. You have to realize, I mean, know now certain things for me know now. If we didn't know back then, I would be a better man. But me give thanks, it's better late than never.
For sure.
You understand, Musu? Yes, sir.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.